How to perform an operating test. A test kit is required. It is very light because it contains an air-gas mixture above the alarm point. The serial number and the lifetime of the sensor are specified on the product and in the user manual. The first thing to do is to remove the mask from the test kit and place the mask on the sensor head. When the mask is in place, put the tube through the hole of the mask. Release gas for 2 to 3 seconds and wait. Pre-alarm and alarm are activated. In case the alarm is not activated, check with the manufacturer to avoid damaging the sensor by using flammable vapors. Remove the mask once the alarm is activated, and rearm the control unit using the rearm button. The pre-alarm will remain active for 2 minutes. The alarm is associated with the outputs, so when the LED turns off, it is indicating voltage cut in the valve and activation of the optical acoustic alarm. This operating test must be done at least once every 6 months of operation time. If the sensor does not respond or its lifetime is exceeded, it must be sent to the factory or the damaged component must be replaced.
Thank you, perfect.